Hi guys, I'm DK TARDIS and this is a birthday unboxing. My birthday was a couple of days ago, but but this arrived in the mail today, and this is from my very good friend Jesse, Mr. Crave Collector 01. You sir are very generous. I know what's in there. You guys don't. So let's take a look at what's in here. I've already took the liberty of removing the address labels and cutting the tape, because doing it one-handed is a bit wow. So here it is. Let's get going. So let's open the box. And first up, I see Mr. Smokescreen. Excellent. No. Love it. And of course here is Mr. Cyberverse Prime. I love the Cyberverse figures. It's one of the best lines that's come out recently. And of course here is Hardshell, the Insecticon. Yes, very nice. I'm going to have fun playing with those. And here is Mr. Screamer. Oh, that is fantastic. That is brilliant. And Ripclaw. Yeah, look at that. Look at that colouring. That is fantastic. That is absolutely brilliant. But that's not a review just yet. And animated Ratchet. I will admit my animated collection is lacking. But again, sir, you just, that is brilliant. That is absolutely fantastic. Love it. And some Power Ranger cards, which I didn't know about. I'm going to look at them in a minute when I finish filming this video. And yes, I probably will collect the others, but don't tell no one. And last, oh bloody hell, last it is Predaking. Oh my days. This is a quick look at everything Jesse's got me. I don't know what to say. Thank you so much, Jesse. It is so much appreciated, my friend. Thank you very much. I cannot get the Beast Hunters line here unless I get it off of the internet for love nor money. Jesse, again, thank you very much, pal. You're, as we like to say in London, you're a diamond geezer. I can't thank you enough. I'm speechless. I've got things to play with now. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.